Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO F19 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's tap on language and region, and as you can see here we've got the list of kind of highlighted languages which are mostly used by the user. However, let's tap on edit. And as you can see, after that we will be transferred to this full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick maybe Greek. Just tap on this plus icon. And that was a misclick, I believe, plus icon. Alright, and your device will ask you if you want to immediately set the Greek, in my case, as a default system language. So simply tap on yes. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system and the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language. Whenever you've got a lot of languages right here, you do not have to enter this full list of the languages. You can change them here. So all you have to do is to reorder the languages and set the one you'd like to use at the very top. So let me tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. Of course, confirm it. And as you can see, we've got English set. Of course, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on edit, and here let's tap on this minus icon next to the language. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.